Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.4 on VirtualBox. First go to Debian Linux official website, it is Debian.org. Click on this other downloads, then click on download mirrors. See here we have the CD USB or DVD USB. I am going to download this DVD USB. Click on this AMD 64 or Intel. Okay. Then see here we have the DVD ISO and its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, OS version Debian. Don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. In Debian we have the versions 13. Okay, select it. Then virtual hardware, I am giving 4 gigabytes, base memory, 2 CPUs. Hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. See, the selected location will be used to set your time zone, and also for example to help select system locally. Normally this should be the country where you live. Okay, so select location from this list. If you are unable to find, click on other. Okay, I am going to select United States, then click on continue. Select keyboard key map. I am going with American English. Click on continue. Set the host name. Later also we can change it. Then click on continue. If you have domain name, then provide the domain name. Otherwise keep it as blank and click on continue. Set the password for root account. Then click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. This is a username. Continue. Set the password for this new user. Then click on continue. See here we have to select the time zones. Here it is showing all based on United States because we have selected country as location as United States. Okay, I am going to select Eastern as the time zone. Continue. Partition disks, I am going with guided use entire disk and continue. Select the disk and continue. All files in one partition and continue. This is confirmation. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. This is a confirmation again. Select yes and click on continue. Configure package manager. If you want to scan for extra media, you have to select yes, otherwise select no and continue. Use network mirror, I don't want, continue. I don't want to participate in the package survey. software selection, by default it has selected GNOME. If you want any one of these, you can select. Okay, if you want web server and SSH server, you can select the checkboxes. These are up to you. Whatever you want, you can select. Then click on continue. Now select the default display manager. We have GDM3 or SCDDM. Okay, whatever you want, you can select and click on continue. Install the bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. If you don't want, select no and continue. Select the device and continue. See installation completed. Also see the message installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into your new system rather than starting the installation. Okay, go to VirtualBox manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on this optical drive and select this remove disk from the virtual drive. Then come to here and click on continue to reboot. Now click on username and provide the password. Skip. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size and color. Now verify the version more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 13.4. Okay, the first step after connecting to Debian Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. What is the password of the root account? Okay, so switch to root account. Sudo is not required because we have connected with root account. See, this is the expected error. Copy this error. Open Firefox or any web browser. Default web browser comes with Debian Linux is Firefox. Copy these file names. Don't copy these square brackets. Okay. Then go to cd etc apt ls. Now go to this file vi or use any text editor. Comment first line. Press I. Then give hash symbol. Then escape. Then shift A. Hit enter. Paste those copied lines here. Then save the file. :wq exclamation. Now update the packages. See, this time we haven't received any error. We are able to update the packages successfully. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian Linux 13.3 Trixie on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.